Hi lovely loves! Today I'm back with another haul, but this time it's an Ulta haul. Hope nothing broke. Some of these things are actually kind of old, not old, but like I bought them a while back actually. I've been saving them for the haul. A couple of things I did use already, but only maybe once or twice. But I wanted to show you guys this haul because I shared it on my Instagram story a long time ago when I first got the package, but I never posted it here on my YouTube channel, and I got some good stuff, so I wanted to show you guys. So I have two Ulta packages here with me. The first one is the first order I placed a while back, and then the second one is the most recent order. I'm going to show you guys the first one first, of course, because like I said, I've had this stuff for a while already. Some things I have used a couple times and other things I haven't used yet, so yeah. I'm going to start off with this palette right here. I wasn't even going to include this in the haul just because I've used this so many times already since I've bought it, and I don't have the box anymore because I don't know where I left it. But I decided to include it because I really love this palette and I think you guys should check it out too. This is the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics. I am so obsessed with this palette. I bought it because the colors in here really caught my attention and they look like colors. They looked like colors that I would wear a lot. So this is what the inside looks like. The eyeshadows are up here, and then down here it has bronzers and highlighters. And I love the colors that are in here. As you guys can see, I've been using it. Another funny thing is that this shade right here is named Connie. So that's cool. Not gonna lie, I also kind of wanted to get it just because of that. It has 3 highlights and 3 bronzers, and then it has a lot of wearable everyday shades. Like I said, I've been obsessed with this palette since I bought it. I'm wearing one of the highlights right now. I've actually been wearing the highlights a lot lately. It's one of my favorite highlights. So I'll show you guys some swatches. This highlight right here is called Moonlight, and it's so pretty. Like, look at that. I love that highlight. I've worn it so many times and it's like, it's really out there, but it's so pretty. This is another one right here. That one is called Radiant. And these are so pretty. I can't say enough good things about this palette. I love it, and it was only $22.50, I believe. I've seen it on sale on the BH Cosmetics website before too for like $17. It's a really good palette. So this is one of the palettes that I got in my first Ulta order, and I've been loving it ever since I got it. Next, I got some eyelashes, and these are by Eylure. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but these are their wispy multi-pack number 117. So this is what they look like, and as you guys can see, I've already used one pair. These look really natural and they're not dramatic at all. I do like that for some days where I just, you know, I don't want to have some heavy lashes on. These are my first Eylure lashes. My hair is crazy. Okay, next is something that I was super excited for as well. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit. And I've been wanting this palette for a really long time. I kept putting it off because I kept telling myself, I don't need it. Maybe I don't need it. I have a lot of highlighters, but it's just so pretty. I needed it and I decided to finally get it. I'm sure you guys already know what it looks like and everything, but I'm going to show you anyways. Here's the inside. So it has 4 highlighters. I already swatched them, so that's why you can kind of see that I swatched them. The shades in here are called Marshmallow, Gumdrop, Butterscotch, and Starburst. Marshmallow kind of reminds me of the It's My Ray Ray highlights right here, the top one, Moonlight, but I'm gonna swatch it next to it and see. Oh yeah, that's super similar. You see that? The bottom one is the Anastasia one, and the top one is It's My Ray Ray Moonlight. They're really pretty though. So I got this palette. I'm super happy with it. I got another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. I actually got a few more also, but I got their liquid lipstick set, and this is their mini liquid lipstick set. So it has 3 shades in here. It's Dazed, Bittersweet, and Hudson. This is what the colors look like right there. And I've already worn Hudson, which is like the brownish nude color, this one right here. And I really like these. They look really nice. I swatched them on my arm and they literally would not come off. I went in the shower and when I got out, they were still on. So like not all the way on, of course they were off mostly, but you can still see the lines, you know what I'm saying? So, so I got this foundation from Note Cosmetics, and this is their Luminous Moisturizing Foundation with SPF 15. When I first opened it, I swatched it and it's actually the wrong shade, but I got it in medium beige, and I don't think they had a lot of shades to choose from, but I opened it up and it looks kind of, I don't know, oh, it just dripped in there. Wow. But let me show you. Oh, holy moly, it's going crazy. Not cool. Gonna put that far away from me. Here is the foundation. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. See, it's a little too light for me and kind of really yellow. I'm still going to try it out on my face one of these days and try to make it work and see how I like it. It did have a lot of good reviews, so I wanted to check it out. See, I just rubbed it in. You can't really see it now, so it's not too bad. I'm willing to give it a try and hopefully it looks better on. We'll see. Anyways, it dripped in my box. Now there's like other stuff. Oh, it's a mess. Next, I got this Morphe palette, and this is the 9C Jewel Crew palette. This is what the palette looks like. I like that it's small and the colors were really pretty, like everyday wearable colors. So here's what the inside looks like in the shades. And I have not used this at all. I've been saving it for the haul, but I really like this shade up here and this one too. I like all of the shades actually. This is a really pretty palette and it was only $12. It's funny because I ordered another Morphe palette before getting this one, and a few days after I ordered the other one, they released this one and I like the shades in this one better. So I was like, darn it, now I gotta order the other one. So I ordered this one instead, and I'm planning to put the one that I ordered before this in my future giveaway, which I'll show you guys what that one looks like in a little bit. I've heard good things about Morphe palettes. This is my first one, so I'm excited to try it. Next, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I hadn't gotten a Anastasia eyeshadow palette since the Modern Renaissance palette, and I was gonna get the Subculture palette, but then I waited and then I saw all the negative reviews and I was like, I think I'll pass. So I ended up waiting, and then they released this one. I waited another while just to see the reviews and if it was worth it, the colors. And at first I was like, you know what, I think I'll pass on that one too and I'll just wait. And then eventually, I don't know, I just kept thinking about it. I convinced myself that I needed it. So eventually I wanted to get it and now I bought it. There's the inside, the colors right there. It just has a lot of different colors that I don't normally wear, like that green, that blue, and then this like bright neon green yellow. You can't really see it because the light's washing it out. But I thought they were interesting colors and I convinced myself that I needed it, so I decided to get it. I really love my Modern Renaissance palette, so I know I'm going to love this one as well. I did use it already once, so I'm excited to use it again. The only thing that I don't like is the material of like the palette, the packaging. This material gets dirty so easily. The Modern Renaissance palette is the same way, the same material, and you guys do not want to see what that palette looks like right now. It's literally so dirty and nasty, but I'm gonna try to keep this one clean. I'm gonna try. Next is the other Morphe palette that I was telling you guys about. So this is the 9A Always Golden palette. It looks just like the other one that I showed you guys, but this one is nude colors. So this one has more nude colors like browns and a black down here. I ordered this one first, and then literally a week or less than a week after the other 9C palette came out, and I was like, I really like that one. I want that one instead. So I kept this one and I'm planning to just put it in my future giveaway. I'm going to leave it in the box. I'm not gonna open it, not gonna, you know, not gonna risk messing it up. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and this is gonna go in my giveaway pile for my future giveaway for when I hit 3K on here. Don't get me wrong, I do like the colors in that one as well, but I just have so many palettes with so many nude shades already. Next, I got another foundation, and this is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. And I've been wanting to try this foundation for the longest time ever. I kind of kept forgetting about it. Like, I would buy other foundations that were like trending or whatever, and I forgot about this one. I heard it has really good coverage and that it's really long lasting, so I'm going to be trying this out soon. I got it in Golden Neutral number 8. So we'll see how it works. This is what the bottle looks like right here. I don't know. It looks kind of off, but we'll see once it's on. The last thing in the first package is this Mario Badescu facial spray. This one is the Rose Water facial spray. And this is the first time that I got any of these. I always see girls raving about this or using it in their routines or recommending it, and I never bought one, but I decided to give it a try. Although I did see some people say like negative things about this recently. Hopefully it doesn't break me out or anything. If you guys have tried this, let me know if it broke you out, or if you love it, or if you hate it, or which one do you have. Okay, so that's it for the first package. So the next package doesn't have that many things. It was a smaller order, but I'm excited. I'm super excited for it as well. The first thing that I got is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm sure you guys have seen this palette around on social media everywhere, and I told myself at first that I wasn't going to get it, that I didn't need it. I already have their Modern Renaissance palette, which has some of the shades. I also already have, you know, shades similar to the shades that are in this palette. But then I saw Thomas Halbert, I think that's how you pronounce his name, Thomas Halbert, here on YouTube, and he was doing a first impressions using this, and it looked so pretty on, like when he did his makeup, and he said he really liked it, so he convinced me pretty much. He pretty much convinced me to buy it. I ended up wanting it after I saw that, and it really looked really pretty, so I decided to get it for myself. Again, it has that material that I don't really like, but I'm going to try to keep it clean. And here is the inside. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. The colors are all so pretty and cute. I can't wait to use it. I'm definitely excited for this palette right here. I love that the Anastasia palettes all come with a brush. That's a nice plus, and they always have a mirror. That's also a nice plus. She's so pretty. Next, I got another pair of Allure lashes, and these are their number 126 lashes. And I saw these had a lot of good reviews on Ulta. I also follow someone on Instagram that says these are really pretty and that she always gets compliments when she wears them. So I decided to give these a try. They do look really pretty though, so I'm excited to use these as well. Next thing I got is this Essence mascara. This is their Lash Princess mascara. Again, it had a ton of good reviews on Ulta. I've also seen a post on Facebook about this mascara that it really does work, and it gives you the false eyelashes effect. So I want to try it out. I mean, I doubt it's going to do much for my lashes just because my lashes are so short and straight, but I'm willing to give it a try, and I decided to get it. It was only, I think, $3 or $4. It was really affordable. So last but not least, I got 3 Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. And I got 3 because it was buy 2 get 1 free, so I decided to just buy 2 and get 1 free. So I got 3 shades. So the shades that I got are Amazonian, Voyager, and Lover. I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch these. So I did some really quick swatches. Here they are. So the top one is Amazonian, the middle is Voyager, and the bottom one is Lover. I did buy one of these before. It was a red shade, but honestly I didn't really like it. I think it's because the red had a little bit of a weird undertone and it didn't really look good on me, and I don't know, I just ended up giving it away. So but I'm willing to try these, and these colors are more up my alley. Those were the last things that I got from Ulta. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I got the swatches on my thigh, so that's great. So pretty.